How to collab post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can collab for post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to collab on Instagram, all you have to do is open the Instagram application here, tap the plus icon from the bottom and select a photo or anything else that you want to collab with, and now just go ahead and then basically hit the next option. Again, tap on next. Now make sure that you actually try to add a collaborator before you post the post, because after you post it there's no way you can add it. When you're on this page you'll find an option known as tag people. So when you tap on tag people, here you'll find an option called invite collaborators. So now what you got to do is tap on invite collaborators and simply make sure to go ahead and then enter any of the person that you want to invite as a collaborator. What inviting collaborator does is that it is going to also post on the other person's feed as well as your own feed the same post in a nutshell. So this way you should be able to collab a post on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.